What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more locations on your Shopify store. All you have to do really is once you're inside Shopify, go to settings on the lower left hand side and you will have the option to select location. So once you click on that, you will see your current location, but you're also able to add a new location there by clicking on add. Here you can enter a name of your new location, or let's say warehouse or wherever it might be. So let's say I want to say, for example, Prague is going to be my current location here. And this is if you have multiple locations. Then you can enter the new address here. So for example, I want to say Osta. Let's type something here. And yeah, let's say that's it. And I'm fine. I'm satisfied. You can choose if you want to add a number or not. If not, just simply click on save. And you want to go ahead and just select that and click make as valid. You can choose how you want to add it, but that's all that you have to do, guys. Once you go ahead and add that location, you will see that the location is added. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now once you're done, click on save and you will see that you have your second location added into your Shopify store. And that's it.